Honorable Chief Guest, Dr. Ahmed Mahmood sir, and other dignified staff members and my dear friends, I welcome all of you with the Islamic greetings. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. As you already know that today we are organizing a seminar under the topic Management and Conservation of Wetlands. So first I will give everybody has given the definition of wetlands. I will also explain briefly what actually wetlands are. So wetlands are ecosystems saturated with water seasonally or permanently. These include marshes, mangroves, and artificial ponds are, we can say, reservoirs. Now there is a Ramsar Convention. The Convention on Wetlands, known as the Ramsar Convention, is an intergovernmental environmental treaty established in 1971, which was came into force in 1975. The Ramsar Convention on Wetlands was named after the city of Ramsar in Iran, while the convention was signed for the first time in 1971. Ramsar Convention on Wetlands of international importance holds a unique distinction on being the first modern treaty between the nations aimed at conserving natural resources. Now it comes to our country. India became a contracting party to the Ramsar Convention in October 1981 and designated Chilika Land and Kyoto National Park as it is first two Ramsar sites. There are currently over 2,400 Ramsar sites in the world. The world's first Ramsar site was Hobart Peninsula in Australia, and there are 47 Ramsar sites in India. These are wetlands deemed to be of international importance. Under the Ramsar Convention, in India, the Gujarat state has the largest area of wetlands, followed by West Bengal. Among these Ramsar sites in India, 3 Ramsar sites are in our Jammu and Kashmir, and 1 Ramsar site is in the Union Territory of Ladakh. Here in Jammu and Kashmir, we have Walur, Hokarsar, Surinsar Mansar, and in Ladakh we have Sumururi Lake has also been declared as a Ramsar site. Walur was declared as a Ramsar site in 1919, whereas Hokarsar and Surinsar Mansar lakes were declared Ramsar sites in 2005. A Ramsar site is a wetland area designated to be international importance under the Ramsar Convention. Records say that there are 29 wetlands in the UT of Jammu and Kashmir. Out of these, 16 are in Kashmir, 8 are in Jammu, and 5 are in Ladakh. Now the question, as we are organizing the seminar here, that what is the importance of these wetlands? The wetlands are also called as the kidneys of ecosystem. So these act as kidneys of ecosystem as they filter the water and make it pure. Wetlands act as feeding and breeding grounds for migratory birds. During floods, wetlands absorb large amount of water to mitigate the floods to some extent. And wetlands provides aquatic foods like we have fishes and Nilamo sativa we get from wetlands, and also we get water chestnuts from these wetlands. Wetlands have both recreational and aesthetic value. They provide the board. Some people go there wetlands to visit wetlands. As sir was already telling on the day this World Wetland Day, which is celebrated on 2nd of February, to go to the wetland and visit there. So we get recreational value from these wetlands. Wetlands store carbon with their plant communities and soil instead of releasing it to the atmosphere as carbon dioxide. Thus wetlands help us to moderate global climate conditions. Now I have presented here few lines and just it is end. Everyone will come here and present few lines, present few paragraphs, present find on the Google better and better definitions. We are trying to find better and better definitions as Google. My topic will be more interesting to present before the audiences, but that is not the task. For what reason actually nobody knows. For what reason we have came here. Actually, when we reach home for the completion of this program, no one will analyze. No one makes oneself realize that why I was in the seminar. What was the purpose of the seminar? If we have not started to pollute these wetlands, to encroach these wetlands, if we have not started to encroach these wetlands, then there would be not any need to create awareness among the public. Then what was the need? Actually, it is our greedy nature who start and encroach these wetlands. What thing has urged us to come here and make a gathering here to organize a seminar? Actually, we are being urged by something, but we don't know why we are being urged by something. What is actually the reason to organize this seminar? After the completion of seminar, when we reach home, then it is easier said than done. We are only the persons, but only the persons of action. Only the persons of words, but we are not the persons of actions. We can say, because tongue has a very bone, we can say anything on the stage to present to make ourselves more interesting, but that is not the thing. We have to realize actually what is the need, what is the urgent need, why we are forced by something to organize seminars, to create awareness in the general public, as we in the city, as if we talk about the far-flung areas. The far-flung areas, the people doesn't know what actually wetland is. What is this lack of awareness? So first and foremost thing, without education, we should visit to far-flung areas to create awareness in the general public. Then there would happen something. Like we are students, I think most of our grandparents, they are not literate. We are getting our education depends on to get the degrees. We are making ourselves literate but not educated. No one is paying any attention. When it comes to ourselves, it is rightly said by somebody, only the wearer knows where the shoe pinches. It takes us two to make a call. It is not the responsibility of the government department only to conserve these wetlands. It is not the responsibility of government departments to conserve these wetlands. When it takes two to make a call, we should also support this. We should also make cooperation with those persons so that anything can happen. If we present topic is here, everyone will give his or her introduction here and let it go. Then what will happen? Nothing will happen. So if we believe in such words, if I have made a topic, for today, everyone will hear some are speaking with others. As I have seen, so many students were boring. We were speaking with each other that this is a wetland, it is a seminar about wetlands, so what we have to do with it? That is not at all. We are only saying, but not we should act upon, but we are not acting. Only we are the men or we are the persons of words, not actions. So create awareness among the public when you reach home. Also, to some action, also make your family members aware about where we were. Actually, what was the theme? It was not there were not 5-6 participants from. I am from GDC, Government Degree College. He was from another degree college. So it is not to the relatives. There was a seminar, but we know only one thing. If I will come here, I will take 5-6 selfies, 5-6 photos to show my college students where I was yesterday. Everyone will do this. To post on Facebook, to post on Instagram, and our seminars are like this. We are taking photos, we are not doing anything. So make proper intention to give, when we will give proper intention towards these wetlands, or to without water we are finding the life on planet. Not destroying the life of Earth. Then, being a poet myself, I am writing poetry in Urdu language, which is published on the newspaper Srinagar Mail. This time I have made the couplets of my own in Kashmiri. From that couplet, I will go to conclude my topic. But first of all, please realize yourselves. Self who has realized his self or herself, then he has realized God.
And don't think about, I will also praise anybody, I will not criticize anybody. We should criticize push ourselves. अगर कहीं आज criticize करा, that's such is lawyer person. That's such a lawyer dana. अगर if there will be our any other friend, so can come if anybody will criticize him. Thanks such come person, thanks such is करा तो, thanks such is sad. So I am going to just conclude my topic with my own couplet, which I have when I reached college. Then I have written this. Rob sindis ak quadratus kun. But Rob sindis ak quadratus kun. Kus akha zon divanchi. Nobody is paying any attention really, as I have seen. Myself, I am not also paying any attention. Just for fun, I have made this drama. That is why I have written Rob sindis ak quadratus kun kus akha zon divanchi. Aap suktar ashukte levatan. Then we are realizing. Yes, I'm nish muhram gasanchi. Thanks very much. Thanks for your attention.